Yo, Caleb, stop looking at the sun, bro. You're gonna go blind.
I'm
Anyways,
not looking at the sun.
like, I don't think you should be doing this, man.
What? It's an easy trail.
Bro, judging from your past, of your broken spine and everything, when you're in a full body cast, I don't think we should do this.
Bro, I saw my cousin do it, and it was easy.
Okay.
He told me just hold the clutch and pull down.
Okay. Yo, go! What happened? Yo, bro, like, what? This guy crashed twice? Yo, Caleb!